Day 3, final day.
I am walking to my last day of the Broadway Teachers Workshop, day 3, and it has been such a wonderful experience. And today we have a few more awesome sessions and then Gatsby. I'm most excited about Jen Colella from Suffs, and I know her from Come From Away as the pilot, to come in and teach us about musical theater auditions and how to prepare students for that. So I'm very excited for that session. That is my last session, and then we go see Gatsby.
My first session of the day was with Mary Cavett, Moving into Alignment.
So, we find ourselves in tricky habits because we put this thing out of balance.
Then another networking opportunity, and on to directing with Cheryl Caller.
Gotta go, and that is, you gotta go, everything that everybody said, but if your playwright says, you gotta make, and slamming the door, you have to question, why is the door slam important? And if I don't have a door, what else can you do for a door slam? If you're a writer, you know, and the reason why
And here she is, the wonderful Jen Colella.
I'm so glad to be here. I love this program. I am also an educator. I have been teaching for the past 20 years. I teach master classes all over the world. I am an adjunct professor at Columbia. I teach the second-year grad actors. So thank you for they think, and they're right, that this career is so hard that if they're not hard on themselves, then how are they going to push through? And that is not the truth. We have to help them eliminate that untruth. The career is hard, that part is true. Them being hard on themselves is one of the main things that holds them back from learning in the classroom, from feeling like they did a good job in the audition, and from succeeding when they're on stage. It is the main thing that is holding them back from success, is that mean voice. And so there's, ready? This is my favorite thing I've ever done. Hello, my friends, students of musical theater everywhere. No one cares on Broadway where you went to school. No one cares where you went to school. It's how well prepared you are. Does not matter where you went to school. Have a great day.
I could not have loved that session more. Jen Colella is the kindest soul, the most wonderful person.
And that's a wrap on the Broadway Teaching Workshop. Ooh, it was such an incredible experience. I'm gonna do like an overview when I get home and talk about it, and what my highlights were and stuff like that. Right now, I'm on our way to see our last show, to see Gatsby, and I'm very excited about that. Our last session was Jen Colella, and she was the greatest human being that I've ever met in my entire life. So that was absolutely incredible. And now I am on Broadway.